Eknath Shinde's absence from the meetings with the Chief Minister Fadnavis. What is happening in the Mahayuti? In Maharashtra, yesterday, Deputy CM Eknath Shinde did not attend a meeting called by Chief Minister's office regarding some important projects. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis and other Deputy Chief Minister Ajit Pawar was present during the meeting. Issue was related to housing that was discussed. Department is with Eknath Shinde. That's what has got the eyes rolling. That specifically one of the meeting agendas was about a department for which Eknath Shinde wasn't even there. MOS Yogesh Kadam from the Sena was attending the meeting. Remember last week also Shinde was absent for the cabinet meeting. Now Shiv Sena mouthpiece is claiming that that there is tension between Fadnavis and Shinde. UBT of course is jumping in here to target the Mahayuti.
मैं पहली बार देख रहा हूँ आज के मुख्यमंत्री वहाँ जाने से डरते हैं। उन्हें बहुत डर लगता है। अब वो डर के पीछे क्या कारण है उसके बारे में केंद्रीय गृह मंत्रालय ने कोई संशोधन करने की जरूरत है। वो क्यों डरते हैं? जाने से ही डरते हैं अंदर कुछ लोग। अब ऐसी क्या बात अंदर छुपी है, क्या रहस्य है? मुख्यमंत्री पद है तो वहाँ जाकर आपको उस बंगले में रहना पड़ेगा। तो मैं सुन रहा हूँ कि देवेंद्र जी जाना नहीं चाहते, लेकिन महाराष्ट्र में ये कभी ऐसा नहीं हुआ था।
So of course UBT Sena not leaving this opportunity to charge at the Mahayuti. Meanwhile, what exactly is happening in the ruling government, in the ruling parties and the alliance? Vidya is joining me for the latest on that. Vidya, good morning. Is this just too much of a coincidence that he's been skipping some important meetings, or what is it that you possibly hear about it?
There are two different issues. That what Sanjay Raut was really speaking about is an issue that the UBT is really picking up about, Devendra Fadnavis, Chief Minister of Maharashtra, not shifting to the official residence. Remember, the official residence of the Chief Minister of Maharashtra is Varsha Bungalow, while he's been staying at Sagar, where he was put up earlier in the last 2.5 years that we had seen as Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra. The Sagar Bungalow is quite adjacent to the Varsha Bungalow, but it's not the official residence of the Chief Minister, and the Chief Minister isn't shifting to Varsha Bungalow, and that's one of the reasons why the UBT Sena has been raising an issue as to after Eknath Shinde left, why is it that Fadnavis is not moving in? So that's something that they are raising. Apart from that, of course, the other issue that the opposition has been picking on is the fact that there are important meetings that are being held, though Eknath Shinde's team has specifically said that the reason why he did not go was because he had some prior personal appointments, and that's one of the reasons why he couldn't make it for that meeting. And there was an MOS at that particular point in that meeting, so that shouldn't really have been an issue. However, the UBT, Sanjay Raut especially picking up on this entire issue as to how there's a difference between the three leaders, and the Chief Minister and the Deputy Chief Minister are not getting along, is something that the opposition, especially Sanjay Raut, has been claiming.
All right, Vidya, keep tracking all the latest on that. Very interesting what's unfolding. Vidya, in fact, I'll request you to stay on for what's coming up next, a big breaking news. But for now, is it just coincidence, some reason that Eknath Shinde has skipped the meeting that was with regard to his department?